17.
And is that because you think the compassionate release provision would not permit or would not make you eligible for a sentence reduction if this First Step Back disparity was the only basis? Like here, your client also alleged the COVID-19 and hypertension and obesity. Is it the plus factors that then would prevent it from becoming a huge loophole?
Justice Barrett, these are always combination of factors. No one factor, I think, arises to the level that it would by itself be extraordinary and compelling because the word reasons is in the statute. So it's got to be multiple reasons. Our client, of course, as you noted, had a very good rehabilitation record, has health issues, has family circumstances where if his earlier release would enable him to help find and provide for his deceased sister's children. So these are the kinds of circumstances that a judge reasonably would take into account.
Could a judge, let's say before the First Step Act was enacted, say that in my judgment, I really feel like these are excessively long sentences, and treat that, like the judges, let's just say it's disquiet about the legal penalty that Congress has chosen to impose. Would that be an extraordinary and compelling reason, or is it only the subsequent change?
Length of sentence is a factor, and it always has been a factor. And we know that because the Diaco case, the Bureau of Prisons, represented by the Department of Justice, came to court and said the long sentence should be reduced because of these disparate circumstances. The Senate—
Well, no, I'm just saying, just based on the judge's disagreement, you know, the judge's disagreement with the length of sentence that Congress chose to impose as a mandatory minimum.
Mandatory minimums have long been thought to fall within the rule of compassionate release. So has life imprisonment, for that matter. And the Department of Justice agrees with that observation, filed a brief a couple of months ago in the Sixth Circuit in a case called Stricker, in which it took that position. So that is not an unusual feature of how compassionate release works, and that makes sense.
Mr. Friedrich, I'm hearing